Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
Time to talk travel stories and to talk you through travel stories without making a mistake, the one and only Ambika and Hoshna. Yes, their relationship is not approved by me, but their stories are. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Happy listening, and fathers. Alright, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
Yes, let's meet on Cyrus Says Sanjeev Joshi and Tushar Burman, who bring us a Rotor Mouth podcast. They love cars, they love everything interesting, but one is called SJ and the other is TB.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
Okay, here on Cyrus Says, let's visit Motorstan, which is what I call the world of driving in Mumbai, which is a separate philosophy and culture for me personally. Now, we have what is called in Mumbai the stare. I don't know what happens in Delhi because there are guns involved, but in Mumbai it's called the stare. You cut someone and he gives you the look. I don't understand this whole look thing. They just stare at you, you stare at them, the stare continues, and if you carry on in the same line, you stare again, once again when the cars stop. Here's my point. Isn't it better if you just see MC and BC and get out of your system and not look at me twice or thrice and continue for the next 15-20 minutes of my life? So I'd rather you abuse me and my entire family than stare. Stop the staring. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Alright, here on Cyrus Says, we were just discussing motor transport issues here in Mumbai. I want to talk about that, but first let me introduce my guests, Sanjeev Joshi, Tushar Burman, and they have brought Rotor Mouth podcast alive, in a sense. We'll understand that in a second.
We'll try.
But since we started talking about this ridiculous thing of, you guys drive.
Yes, of course we do. Yes.
Rotor Mouth, I presume, also involves vehicles.
Yes. Many vehicles.
So just tell me, why do we do this in Mumbai? We have this, there's a lot of road rage happening in the last 5 years, which I think is much more than before. Also because of the population. And but the biggest worry is that we have a certain way of dealing with it, which is just look really hard at someone.
Well, like you said,
I sometimes get turned on.
I can understand that, and I can relate. No, and I really can't. I think it's better than what you're talking about in Delhi. I would much rather
where the guns come out.
Yeah, not
but
get
I prefer
shot
they shoot me. I end the matter. I find this it's almost like a cancer. It just grows, you know. I mean, I cut a taxi in the morning, cut this guy early morning. He came alongside and gave me the look. He didn't say anything, he just looked. After 2 minutes again we are alongside and again he's looking. The third time I said we should meet. I mean, there's no
have a chai, have coffee.
Yeah, this foreplay is over. Let's do something.
Well, he must have been a really huge rickshawala, because I can't imagine he gave you
Taxi
the look,
wala.
because you look like you ate to rickshawala.
See, now you exposed yourself. By using the word rickshawala, you have fallen from the wealth. The affluence of your society has been exposed.
I'm no longer Bandra.
No. Now
I've gone from Prada to Mada.
You're from that side of the world.
Yeah, and now Sanjeev and I have to go to one side and make fun of you.
Yes,
You're a poor boy. What is the Xavier's thing you were saying off the show? Poro. You're a poro.
Richo
and poro. What happened to Bencho and Macho? What happened to our life, man?
Those words have all gone.
All gone. Are you going to beep those out?
No, of course not.
I
Why
hope
should
not.
Who are you talking to? Talk to me.
I don't know. They make us
disconnected conversation. You're like the taxi driver.
I am.
You're staring at me and talking to someone else.
I am.
Okay, listen. Let's now first begin.
That used to be called Looking London, Talking Tokyo. You remember?
London is not hyphenated. That's another thing altogether. Sanjeev and Tushar, we get into the whole podcast. But first, what is the connection between the two of you?
The connection is we just met, I think, where? At some event. We met.
Yeah,
at a traffic signal. He looked at me.
Sandas ki line mein, like my father-in-law said. Also pyar ho gaya.
My God.
Yes.
Quite the romantic, the father-in-law, I must say.
Absolutely.
Go on. Awkward pause.
I thought we were to say. Okay, we met at an event.
No, see, we have a rule here when we have more than one guy as a guest and all that, because it becomes chaos.
Yeah.
So what we do is, and I mean no double meaning here at all, is you poke the guy with your finger when you want him to talk.
You poke.
Yeah, you
So you have to poke him like this.
Poke him. Go
Here,
ahead.
above the waist.
Now, if someone listens to this podcast from this point, they'll think it's all new podcast. Go on, poke him.
Yeah, poke him. Okay.
Above the waist.
Above the waist. I poked
Listen,
your
at our
word.
age, the waist meets everywhere, so it doesn't really matter.
So we
Sanjeev,
met. So we met at an event, and we just casually.
What kind of event?
One of these boring car launches.
Oh. Acha,
Yeah.
okay,
So we met there, and we were generally doing our own thing, and I spoke to him, and I'd seen his videos.
Give us a little bit about your background, no? Who you guys are singularly, and then we'll figure it out.
Okay, I'm, like I said, a South Bombay boy.
Right, that's huge.
Huge.
So you were born with a driver, two maids, all that usual.
The two maids were not there. The driver was there.
He became the maid after some time.
Yeah, so grew up in South Bombay, did the usual
Breach
school.
Candy, no?
Yes, Breach
We
Candy.
still call it Breach Candy. It's not called Breach Candy by
I
law.
know. Now it's Bullabhai Desai.
It was also Bullabhai Desai when we were young,
yeah.
but it's just that now people are actually pointing it out.
It's
yeah.
like how Churchgate was Maharishi Karve Road, which I
it
never
remains,
knew.
which it remains. But you dare ask a taxi driver, sorry to ignore you, Tushar, these are our problems in South Mumbai. Ask a taxi driver to take you to Maharishi Karve Road and he'll take you to Mud Island or something. And he'll have children with you.
Yeah, I've actually stood outside Churchgate station and someone has asked me this and I've sent him in the other direction, saying, "Yahan pe nahi hai."
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Why do we do this? We'll come to that again later.
Yeah.
But quickly, your
Okay,
background.
okay.
So South Bombay boy, what is a business family?
Yeah, I was in a business family. We had a traditional business. So I did all sorts of things in college, assisted
Which
photography.
college?
I was in Elphinstone.
Elfie, which in the 60s was a hugely successful college.
Absolutely.
Ranked number 1.
By the
70s
time
number 2.
Yeah, by the
90s.
Yeah, it went.
90s.
It was known for the Bhai culture. Right?
What the hell would you do in the middle of that? Because it was filled with ruffians and tough guys.
See, I took admission there. I spent all my time in Xavier, Sydenham, and HR. Those are the three colleges I used to hang in. I never attended Elfie.
But all you have to say is you're from Elfie and people would back off. Huh?
Yes.
No rada for you then.
No rada.
I got beaten up by Elfie boys every day in St. Xavier's. They would just come and smack us around.
I don't believe you.
No, I'm telling you. They would just come and say, Xavier, slap.
Especially during Malar.
Malar, everybody slapped. The same watchman would stop me entering. He saw me every day.
Yeah.
Which I've still not followed.
Xavier's, we can talk another story.
He's also Xavier, right?
Yeah.
So
We can talk about various things.
Sanjeev, just introduce yourself into the mobile industry, but so business family, South Bombay background, all that is fine.
Yeah.
You try your hand at different things, and then what happens?
Then what happens is I get married, then decide the business is, as it happens with traditional businesses, me and my brother go our separate ways. Then I decided me and my wife lived in Canada for 3 years.
What were you doing there?
She was pursuing.
You're not even Punjabi. Why would you be in Canada?
She was pursuing being a chef.
Oh.
So she studied.
You were a ghar jamai, in a sense.
Yes, I was a ghar jamai. Total ghar jamai there. So I was working in a hotel there. She was studying.
You were a bellboy. Wearing those tight uniforms.
Absolutely.
And middle-aged MILFs,
Yes,
would open the door in the
yeah.
hotel room and say, Beta aja,
Yes.
exotic Indian flesh.
This was the reason I
How
lived.
many times were you molested and did you tip them?
No, I lost count actually. So then I came back. I worked with an automobile magazine.
No, but just quickly, you were in Canada for 3 years and then what happened?
No, we decided that we had fun there.
She was like a good chef and all this. She was
Yeah.
making a name for herself.
Yeah, she was making a name for herself. That then we said we'll come back. So we said we didn't want to settle there. Anyways, we had not gone there with the intention of settling.
But 3 years is a long time. Normally when you go to the West
Yeah.
for 3 years,
Yeah.
people, that's it. You
Yeah.
switch cultures.
Yeah, so when we came back, we didn't have an accent. We still liked
How
Bombay.
disappointing.
I know that I was disappointed.
Can you put it on?
No, I can't.
Do you speak
put
any French? Were you in the
no,
French part?
No, I was in Toronto, so we're not in the French.
It's not Toronto. It's Toronto.
Toronto.
Can you speak Punjabi at least?
No, yeah, I can't.
No
do it.
French, no Punjabi. What kind of Canadian? I don't
know.
understand.
Did you at least pay rent to Akshay Kumar?
No, I didn't.
Not even Akshay Kumar. Do you meet Shamak Dabur? 6 months a year, he's there dancing.
No.
You see a guy in tights running around, it's him.
Okay, next time.
Not Akshay Kumar, Shamak. Yeah.
Yes. So I came back, joined an auto magazine, generally did my whole thing.
So one sec, so there was always a love for automobiles.
Yes, there was always a love.
What about parents and family? Nobody said, what the hell are you doing?
No, nobody cared.
They'd given up on you.
Yeah, they'd given up
to
on
Canada
me.
chala gaya.
Yeah.
We told him, go from South Bombay, go further, but Canada.
Canada. So they'd given up on me. So when I joined an auto magazine and then I spent...
Which one, Autocar?
I was working with Auto X. It's a Delhi-based publication.
All right.
So
Are you
what-
ashamed? The way you mentioned, you won't say the name.
जलने की
Auto
बात
X,
क्या आ रही है?
आधा pornography, आधा automobile. Sexy legs on wheels. Huh.
I'm sure my editor will like that.
Your co-compare on the left, right, is
Yeah.
a little, he's looking at you very cynically. Huh?
Yeah, he's looking-
He doesn't seem to be a fan of the mag.
No, he's worked with all bigger magazines. So,
So here the complex is different.
Yes,
You're
yeah.
a South Bombay boy when it
Yeah.
comes to geography. When it
Yeah.
comes to career, he's the guy with
yeah,
the...
because he's worked with the big boys.
We'll come to him. Which one were you with?
I used to work for Overdrive for a while. Then I worked for Evo magazine, and now I'm unemployed.
Oh, unemployed. Superb. It's the Indian dream.
Yes.
It is.
Via Canada.
Via Canada.
So
So then we met. And then after working for 2 years, getting bored.
But you were living off a salary as a writer for Auto magazine?
Yeah.
And your wife was working, obviously.
Yeah, wife was working. And I was also handling special projects for them, which is a convenient and a nice way of saying sponsored content.
Oh, I thought making babies. It's a special project. I just presume.
Yeah, this
Isn't
is
that
also
like
sponsored
having
content.
these sex, yaar. Because that's the one thing you can do. I'm presuming,
So then, after that, spent some time. Then I met up with Flarepath. Flarepath is run by Saurabh Kanwar and Prashant Sardesai.
Saurabh Kanwar from MTV.
Yes.
What are you saying?
Yes.
How's he? Is he good?
Very good.
You should get him on the podcast.
We'll get him. He's a
note
mad...
to self. Note to
Yeah,
self.
Note to
Is
self.
he cheap?
I'll ask him that.
He was.
Yeah, he was.
Huh.
So met these guys. We discussed setting up a platform like this, and that's how Rotomouth was born.
Okay, now let's stop there and now let's transfer because we've given him no respect.
I know.
You've spoken for 15 minutes. The
I
whole
know.
show's about half an hour.
Yeah.
So now we have to come to this young man.
Please.
And we have to go into your background, sir.
Absolutely.
Tell us where you're from, what was in your mind, and why you're wearing this ridiculous Hawaiian shirt to a podcast.
I'm glad you noticed, Cyrus,
Yes,
that I
yes.
wore this shirt exactly just for you.
Yeah.
So I'm
Journalist since 2000, by the way. I've got some facts.
Yeah, you've got some facts.
Which makes you a little older than I thought.
Yes,
Because that's 17 years of journalism.
That's 17 years of journalism. I started working when... Yeah,
MJ Akbar is now a cabinet minister, right-hand man of Sri Namoji.
Right.
So just remember your position.
I've got it.
17 years, you're just working with Sanjeev.
Basically.
Think about it, huh?
Yeah. So I don't need to, like I said, I'm unemployed. So
No, but not for long. After this podcast goes out,
Hopefully, absolutely.
Auto Erotica will call you.
Auto erotica.
From Delhi, from Gurgaon.
Hello.
Huh. Come on, brother,
Anyway,
tell us
yeah,
your story.
So,
If I interrupt, just poke me. Huh?
I will. I'm not long enough for that.
I went there. Sanjeev, send him to Canada.
Yes.
What is this?
Oh my God.
Akshay, मैं आ
My
रहा हूँ.
producer's sweating now.
Yeah, I know.
It's
अक्षय
not
मैं
funny.
आ रहा हूँ अभी. So
We
I
can't
will-
have three bad comedians.
I-
One is bad enough. It's got to be three.
I'll make myself worse. Don't worry.
Really, it's a recession in comedy. Go on.
So 17 years. Yeah, I've been a journalist. I became a journalist because
Irritated since 1978. it
That's
says.
true. That's true. So I am older than you thought I was.
Oof. Yeah.
Yeah, much. Yeah. So I've been a journalist for a while, and before
But your
that,
first job?
No.
What is your
no.
background? Which school, college? Give us something, no?
So I went to Arya Vidya Mandir, Bandra.
Okay.
Shout out to all the boys who can't play sports. And
Which
then
is all of us in South Mumbai also. I don't want you to
No,
do
but
that.
we played
shouldn't
sports
laugh.
here.
We played, but in our little world.
I'll
Cross Maidan and all.
Cross Maidan,
So
yes.
once we actually went
Wait.
to a basketball game, the coach, I say that in quotes, I wish
Yeah.
you could.
What is his name for what it's worth?
I don't remember his name, but let's call him Savio D'Souza because that's basically.
I'm half
Everybody's
Catholic. Watch it, huh? And my
I
producer's full.
understand.
He might be a Savio. Are you Savio? No Savio in your family?
There are.
There are
They have to
Savios.
be. They have to be. It's almost
We
obligatory.
are marginalizing an audience. Behave yourself.
Why not?
Okay.
And in today's day and age,
I
especially.
know. Go on, brother.
Right. So what were you saying?
Huh.
I lost
You had a
my chain of
coach.
thought.
You had a coach.
I had a coach.
Then you made the italics.
Yeah,
and
I meant the coachy signs. So we actually went when I said sports and we didn't know how to play sports. So our school decided, hey, you guys throw the ball in the recess. We'll do inter-school sports. So we went to
What?
that. Yeah. So we'll do inter-school basketball. So there are all these really thin guys. Like I right now, I am a handsome chunk of Lothario. But back then I was like 40 kilos, right? And all my compatriots also in the team were all like 35-40 kilo nerds who were like getting 90 plus at every test, and I was failing and standing outside school anyway. But the point is that we go to this Our Lady of, what's that science school, Our Lady of
we don't know.
something. I was there yesterday, and these guys,
You're still going to that school?
I'm still going to that
Preying
school.
on young
It's
girls.
incredible. I'm unemployed. What am I supposed to do?
That's not what you do when you're employed.
It's a boys' school.
Jeez, I'm scared.
Anyway, so
This is our last podcast, ladies and gentlemen. I'm saying bye. I'm signing out. Oh, it's a boys' school. Even better.
Oh my God.
Even better.
So we're going for our first inter-school basketball
Without any practice.
Without any practice.
Having thrown the ball once to each other in the canteen.
We had, and we actually once got it in the hoop also. So we go there, and we are going there for the under 16.
The game was basketball.
The
not
game was
football,
basketball.
No?
It was under
Because
16.
But
You
were
never
they
know
all
what this
under
coach-
16?
Boss, ghanta under 16. They were all under 25. These guys were like 7 or 8 times our size. One of my friends who was trying to sort of catch the ball, he came back and suddenly his mouth was completely red with blood. He was bleeding. There was a giant hole in his lip.
They mistook his mouth for the hoop.
We lost 104-2.
What kind of school is this? They're really dumb.
Yes.
They played basketball. They
Yeah.
don't understand the rules.
Yeah.
Idhar aa, Kishore. Thap.
It wasn't Kishore, it was Inga.
Inga.
And anyway, so there was a lot of putting through. And
You got a lot of Catholic issues here, brother.
what
I
to do?
know.
Jesuits have really screwed your mind.
Grew
Look
up
at
in
this guy.
Bandra, man. Grew up in
He
Bandra.
looks like it.
So this is what Bandra does.
We lost to Stanislaus all the time.
Stanislaus is something else.
I know.
क्या बोलेगा?
Stanislaus even we know.
Salman Khan could make the team.
We lost to Andrew.
He was also under 25, apparently.
Yeah. And Harris Shield and Giles Shield and all this only.
Cricket we played, rugby we played.
Yeah.
But soccer, I remember we would lose to all the big schools.
Yeah.
Right. So we lost to everybody with everything. Anyway, so that's where I came from. AVM school, went to Xavier's.
Xavier, you mean?
Xavier.
I was
Xavier's.
Xavier. You're not Xavier.
You know,
You're
I'm LP.
LP, and then you went to Canada.
Yeah.
So, what was Xavier's experience like, boy?
It was incredible. I didn't go to class because I can't wake up in the morning, and I
Who was
couldn't.
Were you
principal
arts
then?
or science?
I was in science.
Oh, so you're a nerd. Because I'm one of those tributes to society. I was a 90s art student.
Marcus,
8 boys, 85 girls.
Yes.
I did
Out
actually-
of the 8 boys, 2, and I have nothing against homosexuality, Naveen, 2 were gay, so that leaves 6 boys for the market. And out of the 6 boys, 1 was on drugs, 1 was really ugly with
Yes.
body odor. So that leaves 4 of us. So we would just come and we have to share 85 girls.
Absolutely.
It's such false advertising because that's not life at all. That's not life. But it's your story. What was
It
your
is my story.
In science, it's not the same, huh?
Science is not the same. So, like I said, 11 Xavier
It's your
D'Souza.
basketball story all over again.
It was. So the basketball boys were doing something, and we were outside.
And
getting-
basketball was big in Xavier's, right?
It was very big. It was very big. It was kind
Decent
of like
standard.
it was like Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar.
couldn't-
Yeah? There was modern college, and then
Correct.
there was the
You're right.
the
Yes.
Garibo
So
Wala
we tried to put a
college.
cricket team together.
Yeah.
What kind? 11 people to
But
play
they
cricket.
didn't have a cricket team.
No,
right?
no one's interested.
Yeah.
But basketball was packed, and then we had like ring football. Did you have ring football?
No, we
Where
didn't.
5 people play inside the area.
No, I
so
don't
it's like
think so.
squash football.
Yeah.
It bounces off the
Yeah.
walls and all.
No,
it's huge. If you like balls, that's the game for you, mate.
No.
Superb.
I that happened once, but that was when a vada pav fell in the canteen, and that was it.
And you're still recovering from that first hoop in the Kishore's mouth.
I am. I'm trying.
Yeah. Huh.
Yeah. So so I spent my time. I spent a good 5 years in Xavier's. I passed 2, and then I decided because abhi thoda problem ho raha hai.
And straight away journalism.
No, then I was in technology for a while.
But I am listening to all the comedy also. I'm just trying to understand where you come from. Huh?
Oh, okay, yeah. So, so
Mostly irritated the audience is not reacting to past 2 and all that.
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't care anymore.
He
He's one of
doesn't.
those cynical comedians
I
who
know.
doesn't care about anything.
look at my shirt.
Yeah, really. No, I think the shirt. There's a reason for
This
that.
is the
There
new
is.
form of comedy,
Yeah.
where you don't really care.
Yeah. I'm sinking, but I'm sinking with color.
Yeah.
As
Why
they say in
not?
Hindi, Shan say.
With
Yes.
pride.
Sir, please talk.
Carry on.
This guy goes on
If
talking.
you
What
could
kind of
let
friend
me-
is this?
I don't know, man. And what kind of a host are you? You need to take off those headphones, man. You're listening too much of your own voice.
I'm listening to something else.
You see, he comes, he gets messages from here. That guy messages
I'm
you.
a big ABBA fan. So while you're telling me your basketball stories,
Correct.
brother, tell me more about JBR. So you finish JBR and then you
Yes.
decide where's the.
So I got into technology because I was always a bit of a computer geek. So I got into technology. Early years of the internet, nobody knew about internet.
But the
I
science
did.
degree is a waste of time. Now tell the truth here.
Yeah, absolute waste of time.
Please tell all those young people out there and those parents who tell you have to do science.
Ladies,
BSc,
gentlemen,
BSc,
I tried
and
to do
MSc,
BSc.
crap. Nothing comes out of it.
But I did try. I gave it a solid shot. In fact,
You're the exception that proves the rule.
You majored in what?
I was trying to major in math.
So did you?
No, like I said, 5 years in college, I only passed 2.
Okay.
Yeah, and So,
But we don't know if that's correct because maths is bad. So
We're not sure.
So you were visiting Father Terence's room and all?
Oh, you know Father Terence?
Why would I-
You're from Canada? World famous in India?
Yes.
Wow.
No. Like I said, so
We had Father George with the nasal accent.
So I don't know too many of the fathers. I didn't spend too much time in class.
Are you a father now?
I am not.
Okay.
Are
you a mother from the colourful clothing?
No, hopefully not. But we have 3 cats.
Okay,
and a
fast
dog.
forward.
Fast forward.
No cat jokes, yeah.
No cat jokes, of course. 2 technology companies later, the .com boom and bust happened.
Bust, yes.
So made a lot of money and then suddenly have no money.
But you made a lot of money.
I made a lot of money. Yeah, it was a good time, and you know.
What was the company called?
I'd rather not say.
Why?
Because the promoter is in jail.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Satyam,
No.
give us a hint. Come on.
Yeah,
No,
come
no,
on, come
I'll
on.
tell you what.
Absolutely.
You say 4 options and I'll cough and you just react.
Okay, I'll tell you. You probably know him.
Okay. Who?
Oh, okay, now this is very interesting.
Come on.
No, it's
Sanjeev
not
doesn't
Arvind.
know.
No.
Sanjeev doesn't
Sanjeev
know.
doesn't know.
No, I haven't
You
either.
don't know the promoter's
I've
name.
told you the story, but I don't think
No,
I'm
he's
going
never
to
given me the
But
name.
if he's famous or infamous, you...
Yeah.
Come on, give us a hint.
No. It's not
Okay, rhyme his name. Or tell us what his name means in English. Like if it's Prakash, say light. Like that.
let's change the topic.
Change the topic.
Yeah, we should do that.
Topic ko badlo. What kind of
Topic
name
ko
is that?
badlo.
I know. Is he Korean?
He is.
Topic ko badlo. Yeah.
Anyway, so that happened. And,
Please, Baba, tell me the promoter's
I
name.
can't do it. Sachi
Sanjeev,
I can't do it.
choke
He's
him.
in jail, man.
Should I choke
So
him?
what?
And uske
But it's already done.
कानून के हाथ लंबे उसके हाथ और
But-
लंबे.
But he's not going to
why
listen
that
to this
type?
from jail,
So
is
you're
he?
more scared of him than you are of the police.
I am, yes.
So is he a minister?
No, but he's close.
Very close. But he's actually in jail right now.
Yeah.
He owns property and all.
Yeah.
He does in Bombay.
He's a political family guy. From political family.
Connected.
Very well connected. And the name will, if you say the name, we'll all know who he is.
And we'll all be in jail.
Like if you say Sachin Tendulkar.
You'll make the connection. You've probably...
So he'll be a Tendulkar but not Sachin, is what you're saying, like that.
So
I don't
but
know
not
this
Vijay
guy.
either.
So he's from the entertainment business.
He's a cricketer.
Yeah. Cyrus, you're also from the entertainment business, no?
I have no money, alright? I don't have money for jail. So behave yourself. Okay, listen, we will take a break and we have not even said one thing about your company.
Yeah.
We haven't
Which is
spoken about your entire effort on the podcast, which is why we are here. Because you all are so full of yourself. May I be honest?
Absolutely.
May I be out and up for a minute?
Yes.
You all are full of yourselves.
Absolutely.
Absolutely full of yourselves.
I love it.
You spoke about yourselves and yourselves. And you won't tell us the promoter's name.
Don't ever.
Ever.
Let's take a break.
Ever. And I blame Pakistan. And Rahul Gandhi.
Absolutely.
And anybody who's against the army.
Yeah.
And the Navy. And the Navy ball.
Right.
Per se. We'll take a break.
I've never been there.
Oh, I've been 9 times.
Wow. South Bombay.
Yeah,
There you
this is
go.
a very South Bombay thing.
Military has to be in the south.
Are you confused about your future education options?
Not sure about whether you should be doing an MBA?
Or if design school is the right fit for you?
Are you worried about how you would finance your education?
Find answers to this and a lot more education related topics on this podcast.
Hi, my name is Akhil Daswani. I'm the CEO and co-founder of OnCourse.
Hi, my name is Alisha Mashruwala. I'm the CEO and co-founder of OnCourse.
And we both are your co-hosts for the OnCourse podcast. Tune in every Monday on the IVM podcast app or any other podcast app you may like.
On your marks, get set, go! As we say in sports races. Tushar, of course, is an athlete from birth.
Yeah,
Basketball
born
player.
athlete.
Basketball champion.
Champion.
Basketball.
Golden State Warriors follower.
I know.
Rugby.
Rugby.
Oh, you're a
That's-
rugby player.
Absolutely.
So you played with Rahul Bose and all.
Absolutely.
He
And
trained
Cyrus
Rahul
also.
Bose.
I
He
did.
trained
As
Rahul.
an actor on the rugby field. How to faint,
Yeah.
how to fall.
Yeah,
that kind of
which
thing.
explains Mrs. and Mrs. Iyer, I think.
Oh,
my
unnecessary.
God.
Unnecessary. He's a good friend of mine.
I know.
Sure he is.
And he's done a lot of good work.
I know.
That's not fair. Okay, listen, guys, we have
Eventually
to
we'll
talk
see
about,
some.
if you are interested in
Yeah.
your careers,
Yes.
about the podcast that you'll do, Rotor Mouth, for
Yes.
example. Now, you've come together, to use a phrase.
Yes.
I won't say who came first. You come together and you form what? Tell us.
Rotomouth. The company's name is also Rotomouth. So it happened after we met Saurabh and everyone and we formed the company. We also came up and we went one day. We have a friend who does this podcast here called Geek Fruit.
Of course.
Dinkar.
Yeah.
So Dinkar basically told us he says, why don't you come and meet Amit? And
Yeah.
let's suggest if we can do something like this. So we met Amit. Amit said, okay, cool. What is the kind of audio podcast you guys can come up with? So we gave him a bit of a brief. He seemed interested. We said, okay, cool. So then me and Tushar started.
But worldwide, cars, vehicles, I mean, these are things that you cannot divorce from men.
Yes.
No matter- the stereotype is absolutely true and you know, it's not going to change.
No, it's not
right?
gonna.
So you're on a winning path in a sense. And India's not exploited it so much.
No,
If you
not
look at it.
no, not that much because I don't think anybody's done a podcast. I could be wrong. I'm sure someone has tried it in the past, but nobody's got it right because everyone's made it very boring, full of manuals, stats, all these things.
Even
So we-
if I may say so, and I read some of the magazines I used to when I was younger, some of them are really boring in the writing because it's just too studious.
Yeah, it's very studious.
and it's always almost like you have to go and buy a car.
Yes.
That's the thinking. Well, I thought the whole world of the car thing is about the romance of owning
No.
cars and what goes with
we've
it.
forgotten that.
Yeah.
So it's interesting that you mentioned that the whole connection between, it's a very manly pursuit, so to speak. But the way we're pitching it, the kind of stuff that we talk
Because
about.
you're not comfortable with the word manly. You made that very clear from
I
the
understand.
beginning. It's from your school
I
days.
wore and the shirt. I wore the shirt just
Oh,
for you.
yeah.
And so what we've discovered, the feedback that we've got about the podcast as well as about the videos that we're making is that a lot of women are watching our show because we're not making
you're a
this.
sexy beast.
I'm a sexy beast. Just look at this shirt. I wish this was a
Stop
visual
selling the
medium.
shirt.
I know.
It's a
Is it-
nice
does it
shirt.
belong to the promoter?
Why doesn't
Does it belong to your promoter who's in
No,
jail?
it doesn't. I paid for it myself. Paid for it myself in my unemployment.
Oh wow.
So good point. So no, I didn't mean as a stereotype alone.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
was just thinking that it's got a wide market. And
Yeah, absolutely.
It's also got a strong market, which is male. So what are the videos?
So we do a weekly podcast and we also do a weekly news bulletin where we essentially take what are the topical items that are happening. I mean, we get a whole bunch of press releases pretty much every day.
Yeah,
about
email
what's
is full
launched.
of this.
Yeah, so what's
Do
launching?
people send money and all and promote my brand? promote
Not as
my-
yet. No, nobody's doing that.
Not as yet, but
But when they do, the logical conclusion, you'll accept it, right?
Well, We will, of course.
Yeah. If Sanjeev doesn't, hopefully it'll come to my email and we'll be done.
If I send you a note saying that my i10 is a much better car than your Bentley, that's as long as I attach money, that's
I
good
will have
enough.
to really push it to a...
It'll have
Now
to
that we
be
mentioned
enough
cars,
money.
which is your favorite car? It's a stupid question because there's so many factors involved. But if you had all the money in the world, both of you, which car would you like to possess and drive?
I would want to buy the Porsche 911.
Any particular reason why?
I just love the car. I think it's
Have
a
you
car.
driven it?
Yes, I have.
Where?
I've driven it in Bombay.
But how did you get your hands on it?
No,
You were a driver after Canada?
Absolutely.
Mr. Sharma.
Yes, I was a driver for all these rich Malaba Hill types.
Malba Hill types. Yeah,
Yes.
don't look at me. So am I. Yeah. And don't look at him. He doesn't know where Malba Hill is.
I don't know.
He's still getting over Xavier's beatings.
He knows Pali Hill.
Yeah. He's after Savio. There's some Savio who
Yeah,
destroyed
I
his
know
life. What do you do, Bhaga? What do you do to you?
Well, actually, he gave me my first job.
Savio?
Yeah. So after...
Are you kidding?
I am not joking.
This is gotta be a
No,
joke.
I'm not joking. Stanislaus boy, by the way.
What do you
Shout
that's
out
too
to
much.
Savio.
Too much.
Shout out
Too
to
much.
Savio.
So you actually, after all your Savio jokes, the Savio gave you a job.
Basically,
This is karma coming to bite you.
It didn't bite me. It
Yeah.
gave me a very lucrative career until I became unemployed.
Then it bit you.
Yeah, then it bit me after 17 years.
Amazing. So, do you
So
remember?
what is your favorite car? Which is the one?
My favorite car is the Hyundai Grand i10 diesel.
Arey wah.
No, you're just trying to be funny again.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no,
Or
purposely.
You
No,
want,
but seriously.
the chance of Hyundai giving you a free i10 are much more than your
Yeah,
Porsche
exactly.
911.
Much.
Absolutely.
Okay, so
Is it Porsche or Porsche? Sorry.
Porsche.
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 No? A lot of people have heard that. And
Yeah.
I heard people
Yeah.
holding the or the E.
I know.
So it's Porsche, like the
Yeah,
Italian
yeah.
word Porsche, the name. Caesar's wife. If you remember your Xavier's. Science, my foot.
I remember my 10th standard ICSE, my boy.
Julius Caesar? There you go.
Uh-huh.
All right. My boy, carry on.
Okay, so...
Tell me the truth. Forget.
No,
we
no,
all like the Hyundai, but I'm talking about
Yeah.
when money is, let's look at luxury brands
Yeah.
and, you have
So,
access to
the
whatever.
thing is, I can't multitask. Okay, I can't. I have two motorcycles. One is riding. One is I'm riding.
What is
You
writing?
can't
Motorcycle is right.
I can't fucking multi-talk. Just
Yeah.
multiple sentences, multiple words not
What
happening.
about masturbate and text at the same time? What about watch porn and masturbate at the same time?
We'll try.
Not even that.
I don't know.
Who called Savio? Why the did he give you a job? Why did he give you a job?
And who is this Savi?
Who is this guy?
Right.
Come
So
on,
what
come
are
on.
you talking about? You want me to
Stop
talk about
playing
the
coy.
job?
He said Porsche.
So I can't multitask, right? I've got two bikes. One is rotting. One
Oh,
works.
you're a two-wheeler man.
I'm mostly a two-wheeler man.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Uh,
That's a good mix, actually.
I know.
So you're more the car guy, he's more the bike guy, is it?
I'm actually also
This is
bike
also
guy.
like a dog cat thing people don't exploit so much. Generally speaking, everybody prefers one to the other, no matter what they say.
yeah.
Yeah.
I know you're a dog guy.
I'm a dog guy. I ride my dogs. Oops.
So yeah. So
The bikes. You have two bikes.
I have two bikes, but I can only ride one because the other one is.
Well, Ajay Devgan in Pool or Kante, I think
He rode both.
He rode
Yes,
both. No?
yes,
He did
yes,
ride.
I do, and I use that.
But he used only one helmet, which is also
Yeah.
by law illegal.
Yeah.
You have two bikes, two helmets. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Correct. I use that clip as much as possible on the internet. It's great.
It reminds you of your basketball days when they pulled your legs apart.
Oh my God, you went there.
So go on. What are the bikes?
So I have a Ducati Scrambler and a.
Suddenly his bloody elitist pick came out.
Suddenly
After
I've
all
gone
the
from-
leftist rubbish that he gave us, I'll have Hyundai i10, I'll drive this scooter,
Suddenly
Lambretta. Bloody Scrambler came from nowhere.
And the rotting one is the Yamaha RD350.
Oh my
which I'm
God.
Which is not exactly like
I
a
know.
10 rupee bike.
I know.
Yeah,
Thoda
excellent.
sa.
But little big for you, I would think. don't mind.
Oh, he went there also.
No, because
But you only said it, huh?
Sanjeev, I've seen these. I have pals. I won't
Yeah.
give their names. Ajay. So they've formed this gang.
I know.
This thing.
Biking groups.
Biking groups
Yeah.
with all these huge bikes.
I know.
With the high handles and all that.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, and some of them are 5'3", 5'4",
Yeah.
and very 40 kilos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some I think it works okay with those American guys with their
Yeah.
big beards
Yeah.
and 6.5 feet tall and wide girts.
Yeah.
And that's why they have
Yeah.
those bikes in the
Yeah.
first place. But I just feel sometimes we never find the right bike for our race.
Yeah. Which is why I wasn't entirely trying to
Which
be
is
funny.
why we had the BSC SLR cycle.
That's
I
true.
thought,
That's true.
I thought
we
that
did,
was
we
the-
did have that. I had a BMX though.
Vijay Amrit
Oh,
Raj-
he had a BMX.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
He's
See the
fancy,
elite.
fancy guy.
yes.
Couldn't do anything in the sports field, but he was
Nothing.
superb with two wheels, I must say.
Superb. I mean, I like.
How are you in the gym with the stationary bike? Do you do like wheelies and all that?
It's incredible. I can bench that stationary bike.
I can. I'm sure you have. All right, videos.
A
what do you
video.
make?
So we're doing weekly videos where we essentially take.
We call it the bulletin.
Yeah, the bulletin. It is an imaginative name. I'm sure you'll agree.
But what is the point here? You're trying to promote?
The point is that we're trying to put out information about automotive, whether it's news, whether it's reviews, in a different way. You said it yourself. You read all sorts of reviews. You're also interested in this kind of stuff. But it all is sort of templated. It's all kind of the same. I mean, taking nothing away from my friends in the industry, but I think it's come to a point where it's all the same. So and we can't do
Well, let's
same.
look at the Bible, Top Gear.
Absolutely.
Which now no longer exists
Yes.
because he has a temper when it
Yes.
comes to beef,
Right.
which is banned in India.
Yes.
But having said that, we all like it. And I watched Top Gear with my mother-in-law,
Yeah.
who has no interest in cars.
Absolutely.
Only
Right.
because these three men have very interesting personalities.
And
But because
the-
that's the British and
Yeah.
their way of talking to some
Yeah,
extent.
yeah.
But is that what we're
Yeah.
looking at? Somewhere in
Yeah.
that direction? So
Well,
you-
Yeah, you could say that. Yeah.
We
I-
were-
I-
but,
and like-
but with budgets which are slightly smaller.
slightly
much smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Ducati.
Ducati.
Not struggling.
No, not really.
You know what we were also trying to do is, as you know, Saurabh. So we had this, like he said, the whole template format. We are going completely away from it, and we're trying to do something that is fun, that's interesting. Like you said, somebody who just wants to come and see it can see it, who's not an
Yeah,
enthusiast.
Top Gear can enthrall you without having an
Exactly.
interest in the product he's talking
Absolutely.
about. Actually, yeah.
So that's exactly what we are going for, and we're hoping to get those budgets.
Plus, of course, you'll always have the audience which is hardcore
Yes.
and understanding what you're saying when you break into statistics
Yes.
of speed or, calibrating
So
bikes and
it is
cars.
actually working for us so
Yeah.
far. We're
And
not.
nobody's done this before, amazingly. Is it true?
Yeah, apparently.
Apparently, nobody.
No, not with this, comic twist
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
looking
No.
at it from a...
And I don't understand why.
Yeah.
It's really, really easy to make these
They
jokes.
kill the-
Yeah.
They're just on the table. Take them.
Yeah, and the funny part is they kill the product by
Yeah.
making it so serious. And I'm talking more about print, of course, because
Yes.
we firstly don't have it digital medium so far.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll happen now. Once this idea gets out, other people will try it. So let's not... Kapil Sharma, if you're listening, this is not your thing, okay? Paji, don't get on the bike and don't make the jokes. We don't want that.
Yeah, in drag.
Because they have the budget. But he'll fight with his partner. And
So
then it'll
are
end
you
fast.
a car or bike guy?
I'm a car guy because I fall off the bike. Actually, my story is I was doing a play when I was 17, 18
Yeah.
at Sophia College. You know, Sophia College's dimensions, you have
Yes.
that round thing.
I grew up there. So
You grew up there.
Yeah.
Where the ticket sales is,
Yeah.
right where the
Sophia
auditorium
College.
begins.
Huh?
You
You grew up in Sophia College.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Oh,
did.
that's awesome.
He was
Yeah.
brought up by nuns.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
You can tell he's a very religious man.
I know.
Yes.
He's got many saviors in his life too. Yeah. So I was learning how to ride a bike and Yamaha, the old 100.
Yes.
Because that was one of the easiest bikes,
Yeah.
but it has a little more pep
Yeah,
than the
yeah.
others. At
Yes.
least when you're a
Yeah,
virgin biker. And so going up the incline, shifting gears is always a problem when you're starting out. And
when you're virgin.
I hit the wrong gear and didn't hit the brake or something.
And you did a wheelie.
The nun came in front of me and we both landed up in the circle part.
Okay.
My mom, who's Catholic, said, "Look, that's it. No more bike driving for you. That's a message from
Okay.
God. Okay, you can't do this." And so then I didn't really. I rode bikes, but I never got to own one.
So now you're a car guy.
Now what's the point? Who in the heat and all? Why would you ride a bike unless
I know.
you're a Scootsy delivery boy and you have to? It's just too hot.
Or you have a Ducati
See, all these
Scrambler.
guys, no, but then
Could
what these rich Ducati pretend to be leftist
Yeah.
mother do is that they get up on a Saturday morning or Sunday morning and
Yes.
ride to Pune at 4:30 in the morning
Yes.
when the weather is good
Yes.
in their fancy bikes.
Yes,
But I
that's
mean,
true.
so you're keeping the bike for a guy with a Valkyrie. He's scared to take it out.
Yeah, absolutely.
But if he takes it out, it's like a museum piece. He's circling it.
Absolutely.
He walks around it.
In my defense, I do not ever wake up in the morning and go to Pune.
You just carry on drinking and then...
Essentially.
and may I say, drinking and driving is not good.
It's not good at all.
Especially if you're the oval
Absolutely.
ground. I've seen people do that when they're
Yeah,
drunk and it's
yeah.
embarrassing. Yeah. So bike guy, car guy.
Yes.
Okay, let's now just give us some fine points about the show. So what is the format?
The format is generally we do generally 2 or 3 stories a week. Depending on, like he said, anything topical, we'll do something about general interest. Anything that...
Do you
can-
interview guys or experts or
we're
non-experts?
going to try. We actually did another format.
Because you get a lot of Parsi mechanics.
Yes, we'll get a lot of them.
I'll give you a list. They're all very good.
So then we'll take
That's
that
okay,
list
I'm
and...
related to a lot of them.
Yeah.
There is one guy called Sarosh who's so nice.
Okay.
But he told me one day when my Maruti car packed up, he told me, "Do you love your mother?" So I said, Sarosh, Sukeuch, do you love your mother? So I said, but what do you mean by that?
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm talking like him, but But he talks like that. He said,
Yeah.
because if you love your mother, you make sure she eats every day, right? So I said, yeah. So then if you love your car, you must make sure the car eats every day. You have run out of oil. If there's no oil, the car can't work. So just like if there's no oil in your mother can't work. And this is the logic.
So this guy's still around.
Of course!
So we have to call him on the podcast.
Yes, and he gives bills at 7 in the morning because after that I have to attend to my cars in the workshop, so I can only come at 7 to collect payment.
Wow.
So 7 in the morning, then after that
So
he's
you
on the
still
workshop.
send your cars there?
Now I moved to Jangu. Jangu is Jangu doctor.
Okay.
So he says I am a doctor of cars.
Or very
My
good.
surname is doctor, so I'm doctor of cars.
Nice one.
So this we have to get these guys.
I'll give you lots. Don't worry.
Fantastic.
And you get one Savio. Throw in one Savio.
I'll get a Savio D'Souza.
Well, yeah,
And we'll be
Savio
sorted.
D'Souza, he gave the surname.
he's after this guy. There's some story that we haven't heard. Maybe he was pushed off his first bike or something.
I can't wait for Savio to listen to this podcast.
Absolutely.
Okay, come on, guys. Give us the future plans now. So, what's the next step?
So
for the
future
show?
plans, we're going to be doing more reviews, more car reviews, again with our own twist because we don't want to do
Which is
four.
the worst Indian bike you've ever been on?
I can tell you that right away.
Please go ahead.
The LML Graptor.
Why would you say that?
Because I fell off it at 100 kilometers and I almost got killed.
It's unsteady. Is it?
Completely unsteady. I think they sold 10 in the year.
You know, when you think of the 100cc generation, which is more my generation, I think, a lot of those bikes were a little dangerous, you know?
Absolutely
They just put them together,
Yeah.
they could go fast, but
Yeah.
the rest of it was just like, you know, it just scrambled together in 15 minutes, it looked like.
They just wanted to sell those bikes.
Yeah, and we were very happy. And we
Yeah.
put 4 Indians. You would see 4 or 5 Indians on a bike.
Yes.
A bike which is less than 100cc actually in terms of power.
Yes, absolutely.
Oof, what a story.
But to be perfectly fair, those bikes were a lot better than what we were used to even before that. What our parents were on. Bus kya?
What are you saying?
Bus
The
kya?
SD is one of the greatest
I
pieces
know.
of
That-
machinery.
Let me say
The
that-
Royal Enfield and the Enfield is the father and the mother of bikes.
That's true, and
They never break down. They can't go anywhere, but they never break down.
I'm never going to say anything
What
because
a,
I'm
what
sure.
a majboot bike,
Yeah.
yaar. What are you saying?
Sure, the Bullet Club is going to come and lynch us.
You don't
now.
like the Bullet?
I don't like the Bullet. I particularly don't like the ESD because
No,
I had
don't talk aesthetics and...
No, I'm not talking about aesthetics. I had an unbroken track record of about 10 years of riding my RD350 all over the place.
And?
Not falling off.
And falling into credit card debt, but that's a different story.
Yeah.
And the one bike that I actually did fall off was the ESD because I
How? It doesn't go fast.
Yeah, exactly.
No, it doesn't go fast. I was at like 5 kilometers per hour. A guy jumped from behind a rickshaw in front of me. I pressed the
You
brake.
would have missed him.
No, I pressed the brake and it automatically turned left and threw me off.
It didn't like him.
What the hell? You're a communist bike?
I have no idea, man. It's ridiculous.
What
So
a
I don't like
story.
that bike.
I can't endorse that. The Yazdi is part of our culture.
Absolutely.
South Bombay, you've seen Yazdis growing up.
Of course I've seen
And
it.
half the boys will call Yazdi.
Yes.
You can't do that.
Sad.
Worst Indian car?
Think about
For
it.
bikes, you guys were spot on immediately. For a car, nothing.
I think
Have
it
you
is-
driven the Standard Herald?
I
The Dolphin? Have you driven the Dolphin?
I have not, no, but I've seen a lot
What
of
do you know
them.
about cars?
Nothing much.
Cars are here. These people know nothing. They've not
Name me
driven the
one
Dolphin.
any. Worst.
Worst.
No, worst for me was the
That was
Standard
my-
2000.
But that was a mother car for us,
No,
yeah,
that
in
was a
terms of
great.
look.
Yeah, it looked great. It broke down
And,
so.
and the rich corporates had it.
Yeah, and it broke down so often.
Yeah. And it gave like 3 or 4 on mileage.
Exactly.
Which is unheard of. Really.
So it ran out of petrol. It broke down so often. So
Yeah.
our family decided to sell it.
And no one reversed it safely
Yeah.
because it was far too big for its time.
So in 2 months we sold the car.
You had it?
Yes.
Yeah, did it become 1,000 from 2,000?
It became something else only.
Have you driven the Maruti 1000? That was a tough car.
Yes,
I
that
have,
was
yeah,
yes,
yeah,
of course we are.
I drove it for
How do you
years.
rank it in from Rolls Royce downwards? Top 10?
Yeah, top 10, pretty
Top
much.
10,
Pretty
yes.
much. I think 8.
Huh?
I think number 8.
Worst foreign car?
Worst foreign car.
How do you stack the Japanese and the German cars? Generally speaking, which would you prefer?
The Japanese are sewing machines. The Germans are tanks.
You racist
Yes.
bastard. You racist bastard. I think we've reached the end of the show with those 3 lovely words.
Absolutely.
Because I hope that they've someone from Das Auto
Is going to come
magazine
after
is
us.
going to come after you. Not to mention everybody in Japan. Their pride and
Absolutely.
joy. But guys, thank you for being on the show.
Thank you
Sanjeev
so
and
much.
Tushar.
Yes.
The show is called Rotor Mouth. It's going to be fun. Jeremy Clarkson is going to be on it soon because he's
Very
looking for a
much.
job
That's
too.
true, yeah.
And there's always an extra Savio.
Always.
Right.
So we'll see you on our show as well.
Yep. Well, listen, because it's not visual. Is it visual? Thank God it's not visual, guys.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, did you get parking? Last question.
No, we came by
came by
rickshaw.
rickshaw.
What's the point? What's the point of a car show when you can't park anywhere?
What's the best new restaurant in town?
Which bar sucked?
What's the worst new Hindi film?
What's the most obscure thing to do on the weekend?
And what's the most interesting new walking tour?
If you want to know how to make the most of Bombay, listen to the Podcast by thedailypow.com. We are Pranati.
Amit?
And Purva.
We're your guide to what to do, see, and eat in the city. You can find new episodes of the Podcast every Monday on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app that you prefer and on thedailypow.com.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
All right, Sanjeev Joshi and Tushar Burman cannot find parking for their cars. An irony, because they love cars and vehicles and are promoting them. But this is Mumbai, so they've gone to the police station to lodge complaints and get their licenses looked at. In the meantime, we have the EMA section. How's it going, Miss May?
Hi, I'm good. It's awesome. It's
Miss
me.
May, I hear you maybe missing. To
Maybe
rephrase that.
missing.
Miss May, missing. Took half an hour to get to it, but yeah.
Maybe missing. Yeah, okay.
Well done, yeah. I'm so bad
Okay,
at
tell
that.
us, where are you going?
Me?
Yeah.
Mizoram.
Okay, but tell us a little bit more. One word answers like an 8-year-old child. Yeah, I did it. Go on.
So I'm working on a music festival in Mizoram. That's
You
my
sound
big
very
thing.
unconfident about what you're doing.
No, it's weird because I'm actually going there to work a lot of things out. So you'll know more.
Okay.
You'll know more
Fair
in some
enough.
time.
Keep your cards close to your chest. I don't know why I say chest and smile. I apologize immediately for
Of
doing
course.
that. And in the meantime, Amit, you're here.
Yeah, I'm here.
And you've always got questions because you're the man with the irate, sort of stand towards society and life. So,
All right,
go on.
cool. Let me give you this first question. It's from Rishin Mitra. As sportsmen and women from other sports except cricket are showing their mettle globally, which sport do you think would be the next big revelation for Indians?
Very simple. Kidambi Shrikant just won back-to-back badminton tournaments and rose in the rankings.
But do you really think badminton is going to become
No,
big?
I think Baddy is one of the places where we're definitely going to make names for ourselves,
Right.
as we have in the last 2-3 years. And we always had some tradition. But if you're talking about which game is going to be global in terms of watching,
Right.
then it's obviously soccer. Because soccer is just
Yeah,
catching up. It's
but
catching up
it
very
really
fast.
is.
But
But
performance-wise, we're
Yeah,
going to take
exactly.
a
No,
long
I
time.
think what he's talking about is that what Indian sportsmen outside of cricket are doing well.
But we've invented our own game called Kabaddi, na?
Yeah, that's so.
Where no other country is playing, right?
Oh, I'm so excited
these are
about
great
Kabaddi.
concepts.
That
Kabaddi is
is
fun.
a huge
And
phenomenon.
It's a huge phenomenon, and as long as we keep the other countries out of it, we
Yeah.
can keep winning.
Yeah.
And we've got Coco in the background.
No,
Have
but
you heard
there
of
are-
Coco?
there are other
Keep that
countries.
to ourselves.
Can I tell you, we can do a Kabaddi World Series without the rest of the world.
We did a World Cup, and we called 4 teams which we coached. We gave them 4 weeks coaching in different countries and put them
Exactly.
together.
We have some of that,
Oh,
right?
that is
So yeah, there's lots to be positive about. Don't be cynical, guys. Do not be cynical.
I'm not.
Who says Indian athletes don't have good genes?
What about?
Have you seen them throw from the outfield?
What about basketball? Yeah.
The big basketball lover. You tell
I'm
me.
so glad you
You
brought
tell
that
me.
No, I
Since
think
you're the tallest Indian I've ever seen, you tell me.
I'm fairly sure that
Can
basketball
we play
is
the under
starting
14s? When we're adults, I'm saying. Yeah.
as adults, could we play in the
Yeah,
under
yeah,
14? No,
yes.
they kick
No.
our asses, man. I mean,
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
Were they really?
yeah.
I'm not
Oh,
even
dude,
joking.
They'd run circles around us. dude.
Seriously?
Yeah, no
Their
kidding.
under 14s are that good.
Dude,
Under 14 team from an American suburb will beat in.
from an American suburb?
Yeah.
Will run circle. Dude, LeBron James became famous when he was 12 years old
Why?
because he started dunking like a maniac.
And he was already 9.5 feet.
He was over 6 for sure. I mean, he's
And at
6'8"
12,
now.
his talent scouts
Smashes
knew who he
to
was.
smithereens.
Dude, so basketball, the way basketball works right now is who are the best players from the time they're 12, 13, 14 years
That's
old.
like cheating.
Well, no, because
That's not.
now you
Of
go out
course.
and you scout in like middle school and high
So
school
all the
and
big
stuff
names
like that.
like Stephen Curry and all this, they're
Everybody knew.
all prodigal champions.
so
from-
all were known. Like so, Steph Curry, not so much. Steph Curry,
I mean, he was a
kinda-
dish.
He
Back home in India.
He emerged in college. He was a good player in basketball. He went to a big school, so I mean, like he was recruited, but he wasn't considered like the best at that time. But like guys like Karl Anthony Towns, who was a #1 pick 3 years ago.
Okay, so every time you say a
Ben-
basketball player's name, we're going to act like we know who he is.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Go
Ben
on.
Simmons was the
Ben
#1
Simmons,
pick
yeah,
last
cheers,
year.
Ben Simmons.
These guys,
Great guy.
everybody has known about them. So
My
Ben
friend.
Simmons is actually an Australian player, right? So he's
Of course.
he's an Australian guy who went who was the #1 pick in the US.
That's the way it works.
Yeah, but I mean,
normally
like,
if you're number one, you're from Australia. I don't know. I have no idea. Next question.
Okay. Yeah.
Should I go?
Yeah, why don't you go?
Okay. Next question. How was the trip to London for the Brocha family that
The
included
worst
Cyrus's
experience of
better
my
half?
life, May.
Why?
And I love London.
It's from
And
Rishin Mitra.
London was fine, but the fact the weather was Indian weather. And we came out of a summer and went
Right.
straight into London's worst week in terms of weather. But for them, lovely because they
Right.
want the heat. But for us,
It's
we're
like-
already brown.
Yeah.
Nobody notices. We don't want to get browner. There's no point to that.
You know, when I was in the UK, so it's so...
For me, it was really hot. I'm not trying to be funny. It was
No, it's
really
actually hot. So the thing is, when I was living there, they don't handle summer very well. All their buildings are made to
They don't know
insulate the
about summer.
heat.
They haven't heard
So
of
you
it.
feel hotter when you're inside. It's
Yeah.
boiling. You
Summer-
can't open windows.
Summer's
It's
like
killer.
dysentery, things that they've eliminated. They don't know about these things. So the subways are all shut. The taxis are shut. They don't have ACs for their function. Because they don't know about it. Their worry is how to
keep it- how to
bloody
keep
place
it
up
warm.
because
Right,
90% of the
right.
time you're dying of cold.
That's
and
true.
suddenly you got this 1 week of summer and I'm sweating there. I'm like Genghis Khan in Hawaii. I'm like, what the hell's happening? This is the wrong place. It was really bad. But we were, quickly, what about that? We were at the India-Pakistan final. Of course, we got thrashed by 180 runs, but that's not the point.
Yeah.
It was super hot there. And here's how I can describe it to you, as I've told everyone. I enter the Oval, the oldest ground in the world in Surrey, London, and I have a huge sense of cricket history.
Right.
Jack Hobbs and everything else. I enter this lovely ground and all this nostalgia. I've got tears in my eyes, as I enter. And all I see is brown people. Indians and Pakistanis. There are no English people, no ethnic English people. Indians and Pakistanis shouting, Jeetega bhai jeetega, Pakistan ya Hindustan jeetega. The same usual crap you hear in our subcontinent. And then the weather's from the subcontinent. Then the players are from the subcontinent. Then the language is from the subcontinent. What's the point? What's the point of going to London and going on holiday in a place like that? I was so pissed off. I cried tears. I wanted India to lose quickly so I could just get out of that place. I couldn't bear it after some time. It was just a pot boiler, no pun intended.
Yeah,
So
no,
painful.
I was looking at my Facebook. It seems like everybody, like half the people I knew were there.
Everybody was there.
Yeah, there was so many people in
I
London.
was doing roll call for some time. Everybody you knew. You just walk on. Everybody was calling you by name. It was just, why? Never again. I'm going to check the weather first, then the travel agent. Yeah. Cool. We have time for one more?
Sure, let's do one more. So this is from Rajiv. How would you explain GST to a layperson?
Okay, I've understood it completely. I know it like the back of my hand. Yeah. So basically, I've replaced service tax with GST.
Correct.
So now the government will take more money from me and more money from the client that I'm working with. Take both our monies and make sure we both give the money. And if one of us doesn't give the money, he'll take both the money from me.
Yes.
For the other guy not giving the money. So the penalty is double fold on my part, even if he doesn't give the money.
Yes.
So I think it's fair. I'm happy, and it works in countries all over the world like Germany and England, etc. Who are we to, the system's already in place. Here's the problem: are we honest? If we're honest, the system works. If we're not honest, I don't know. Are we honest? What do you think?
I don't think we're honest, but I think it's a great idea. Hopefully, it's implemented better than demonetization.
See, people get scared of numbers, 18%, 28%. That means nothing.
It doesn't.
Okay, these numbers have no bearing on anything. At the end of the day, the money is collected. It's like a fluid flow of money.
Exactly. You take it and you pay it.
The point is, will people make sure that they stick every month? You'll look at your taxes. It looks like
3 times a month.
Well, at least once a month, and then you'll have to sort of sort out your paperwork, which you weren't doing in the great golden days of the 80s. You paid taxes once in 15 years.
Once a year.
Oh, who cared?
I mean, forget the 80s. Up till like the 90s,
the income tax people, the building was empty. People weren't there. They were swimming. Oh, everything's changed now. Those glorious 80s when we had cash. Oh, how sad. I mean, we used to drive around with cash in the back of the car. Because, you break a red light, you'll be
I never.
I would keep exact change depending on who I had to bribe. That was India.
India. So I had that, right? I mean, back then I used to make sure you'd have a 10 rupee, a 20 rupee, a 50 rupee, a 100 rupee.
I got fired by a policeman for giving only 2 rupees as a bribe for cutting a signal once in the 80s. I just got my license in 1990. And he said, Kamal hai, sirf 2 rupees aapke paas. So I said, why? Gaadi itni badi hai aur paisa nahi hai. And I said, but what does that mean? What is the correlation with the car and what money I have in my pocket? But he was most ashamed of the fact that I dare carry such less money with a decent sized car. So the question of whether bribery is a moral issue is not an issue. Please understand.
It's more about the implementation.
But coming back to GST, I think let's not be overtly cynical.
No, I actually think it's great.
I'm okay with everything if everybody follows the system. But in India, do we follow any system collectively? Amit, do we park on the right side of the road?
No, we don't.
Do we use the left lane when we're driving? Do our pedestrians actually cross at the zebra crossings? Do we stop at the zebra crossings?
No, we don't.
What do we follow?
We don't follow rules. But even then, we still have
when you
service
urinate in a
tax and
public
VAT
urinal,
right now,
do you
right?
look at the other person while peeing?
No.
Well, you should.
No.
That's all we have time for. Thank you. Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps, please. We beg you. We need you. If you have any questions, write to us online and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called May.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out IVM Podcasts to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.